Hi everyone, 新年快乐 and 恭喜发财. This is your Malcolm, CEO of Winning English Academy. As we welcome the year of horse, I want to send my warmest greeting to all our students, parents, and partners all around the world. The Lunar New Year is very special to me as someone from Taiwan. It's time for new beginning, hope, and fresh energy. This year is especially meaning because horse symbolize speed, strength, courage, and moving forward, which is exactly what we encourage here at Winning. To all our students, I hope this new year bring you more confidence, more motivation, and great progress in your English journey. To all our parents and partners, thank you for your trust, your support, and for being part of our international community here in Cebu. From all of us at Winning English Academy, Happy Chinese Lunar New Year! 恭喜发财，马到成功! And wishing you an amazing and energetic year of horse.